Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start the chapter logarithm, which is just the reverse process of indices. Indices या exponent या exponential form like that. In the logarithm, we are going for the reverse of the process. For example, we are saying 2 raised to power 3 is 8. If we are expressing 3 times, multiplying 2 3 times, answer is coming 8. Now question arises, if you want to express in terms of 8, how many 2's will be there? So that answer you are getting with the help of the log. Again, please listen. In exponential, we are saying if we 2 multiply by 2, if 2 is multiplied with itself 3 times, answer is 8. Now, the reverse question is that if we are going to express in terms of 2, how many times we have to use 2? That is the answer we are getting with the help of the logarithm. Okay, now for example 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So my question is that if we are going to express 8 in terms of 2, how many times 2 will be used? 3 times. Now if we are just making a look, it is the exponential form because everybody know it, 2, 8. This is looking odd because it is the 2 raised to power 8, 2 raised to power 8 is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. That it is only 3. So some part is that it is not exponential form, it is the logarithm form. But फिर भी there is a confusion that how to differentiate that. Student will come to know this is a logarithmic form and this is an exponential. So what is the method is that, listen to me, in this base is written bigger, power is written smaller. In log, base is written smaller, power or number is written bigger. Right? In this, base is on the horizontal line, power is up. Here, power is on the horizontal line, base is little bit down. These are the differences. But even then, you know that mostly if you will see your own notebook. So what happened? Actually, we have to write like this. This 3 very small and this 2 big. Let us say I am writing cube root. So we have to write this 3 very small, this 2 big. But mostly if you will see in your notebook, maybe you are not, maybe of the friends, you will find out that mostly students are writing with the same height. Yeah, there is such a small difference that it is difficult to judge immediately. To overcome that problem, we decided that let us write the log also so that there is no any confusion. Understand? This is the exponential form, this is the actual log form. But in this, still there confusion is there if student will forget to write in the proper line, proper space of the proper size. So to overcome that problem, we write the log also. And in the log, mostly there are 2 types of it. One the simple logarithm and the natural logarithm. In the natural logarithm, base is always e. That is 2.7 something. जब आप +1 +2 में जाएंगे, you will study their logarithmic and exponential series. So there you will come to know about the e mainly. In the physics, so many places we are going to use the exponential series. Anyhow, so we are using the log and several times you are getting I and 2 8 also. Okay, but both are the same, so don't get confused. For your course here at the beginning stage, we will use complete log also. Now there are mostly 3 type of cases I told you. One is the in which the base is e. Other is in which the base is 10. And the next is the base is any number. If you will take a sum of your experience after 3 or 5 years, after completion of your study, so you will find out that in the 50% cases, you will use the base 10. Near about 30% cases, you will use the base e, and in the rest of the cases, base are other than e and 10. Okay, so you have to know about this. So these are the 3 mostly categories used Now several, as you know that several times it is understood. Like for example, denominator 1 is understood, power 1 is understood. मैंने आपको बताया था 2/1 नहीं लिखते, 2 itself show that denominator is 1. 2 raised to the power 1 पे नहीं लिखा जाता क्योंकि it is understood that 2 to the power 1 is 2. So similarly, base 10 is understood. If base is not mentioned, then base is 10. If anybody write log 10 base 2, he can write directly log. If nothing is mentioned, it means the base is 10. Understand? Please listen. This is the exponential form. When we shift the base, then it becomes logarithmic form. To make it more clear, we are using the word log also. This is known as the log, this is known as the base, this is the number about whose logarithm should be known, and this is the value. Now base is mostly we are going to divide on the behalf that in the three category. In one category base is E, that is 2.7 something. You will study in the plus 1 plus 2 when you will study the exponential and logarithm series chapter. One is the base is 10, which is used frequently, and one is according to the situation you use the different base. Okay, याद रखना. And when base is not mentioned, it is considered that the base is 10. In a question, if 10 is written, very good. If 10 is not written, then also very good. You know that it will be 10. So that thing you have to take care. Now I am going to write few formulas for you so that you will be able to solve the question with the help of these formulas quickly. Now my dear students, let us discuss some important formulas of the log which we are going to use. Log m multiplied with n is equal to log m plus log n. यानी कि if there is multiplication, log convert into addition of the log. Log m divided by n, then log convert into log m minus log n. Log m raised to the power n, then power come forward and log m. Almost same. याद होगा इंडाइसिस में मैंने आपको तो इंडाइसिस की खासियत क्या होती है? मल्टीप्लाई टू प्लस, डिवाइड टू माइनस and power to multiplication, क्योंकि this is a reverse process of indices. So many characteristics which we use in the indices are getting used here also. Now next, if log a base b is there, so it means log of b divided by log of a. Here, listen to me here, in these all formula, if I had not written the base, it is not necessarily 10, you can use anything, क्योंकि ये formulas हैं. याद रखना, these are the formulas. These are the formulas. So naturally, these all will hold for all base. Right? याद रखिएगा, ये log 5 base के लिए भी hold करेगा, सब जगह पे log 5 base आ जाएगा. ये log 6 के लिए भी hold करेगा, हर जगह पे log 6 base आ जाएगा. ये log 7 के लिए भी hold करेगा, यहाँ पे log base 7. सिमिलरली है, यहाँ पे 8 आ सकता है, here 9 and whatever. तो याद रहेगा, log a base b का मतलब है log of b divided by log of a. देखो b ऊपर है, a नीचे है, log b ऊपर log a नीचे. Now log a base a, यानी कि जो नंबर है वही अगर बेस होगा तो आंसर होगा 1. जैसे log 2 base 2 1, log 3 base 3 1, log anything base anything 1. And the last one is log a base b. Log a base b is equal to 1 upon log b base a. यानी कि अगर बेस और नंबर आपस में रेसिप्रोकल हो जाए तो नंबर रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. So these are the formula, and after this I would like to request you, please leave 4 lines so that during the process, if any time you find out, I will find out some more formulas are there, then you can write them. Okay, again now come to the this. याद रखना, these are the formula, और ये जो मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ this is the value. तो मैंने आपसे क्या कहा था अभी थोड़ी देर पहले कि whenever we are studying the log, तो majority of the questions we are attending is with the base 10. Those who are studying in the engineering and other, so naturally they are going to start study after the plus one with base E. But those who do not enter to the engineering, mostly their 80% questions are with the base 10. Okay, now let us come here. अब देखिए इसको थोड़ा सा अगर आप ऊपर से पढ़ने की जगह बीच से समझेंगे तो आसानी हो जाएगी। आपको पता है, लिसन टू मी, डेसिमल कहां होता है? इफ इट इज नॉट मेंशन देन इट इज एट द एंड। याद रखना, इफ मेंशन इट इज नॉट मेंशन, डेसिमल इज नॉट मेंशन, देन डेसिमल इज एट द एंड। यानी कि डेसिमल कहां होगा? इधर, राइट। अब देखिए log 1 की वैल्यू 0 है, याद रखना, फॉर बेस 10, फॉर बेस 10 की बात हो रही है सबके लिए। बेस 10 के लिए वैल्यू क्या है? 0। अब देखिए डेसिमल से प्लीज, डेसिमल से पहले एक 0 आया तो +1, और डेसिमल के बाद चला गया, डेसिमल आगे बढ़ गया, प्लीज डेसिमल पीछे जाता जा रहा है। देखिए पहले 1 प्लेस था, फिर 2 प्लेस गया, फिर 3 प्लेस गया, 1 2 3 बढ़ता गया। या ये कह लो एज मेनी जीरोस आर देयर दैट मनी। देखो इसमें 1 0 थी, आंसर 1, 2 0 थी, आंसर 2, 3 0 थी, आंसर 3। अब नीचे आ जाए, ये क्या है? पॉइंट 1। पॉइंट 1 क्या होता है? 1/10, 1/10। 10 के लिए वैल्यू क्या है? 1, तो 1/10 के लिए -1। ये क्या है? 1/100। व्हाट इज दिस? 1/100। 100 के लिए वैल्यू क्या है? 2, तो यहां पे क्या हो जाएगी? -2। ये क्या है? 1/1000। 1000 के लिए वैल्यू कितनी है? 3, तो 1/1000 के लिए कितनी हो जाएगी? -। सिंपल बेटा, 10 के लिए अगर 1 है तो 10th के लिए -1, 100 के लिए 2 है तो 100th के लिए -2, 1000 के लिए 3 है तो 1000th के लिए -3, 10,000 के लिए 4 है तो 10,000th के लिए -4। लाइक दिस इट इज गोइंग ऑन। याद रखिएगा, दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन एंड वेरी बेसिक रूल और बेसिक वैल्यूज दैट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी नोन बाय ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट। लॉगरिथम में बाकी सब चीजों की वैल्यू दे रखी होगी, जैसे log 2 इज दिस, log 3 इज दिस, log 7 इज दिस, इन सेवरल क्वेश्चन वी विल गिव। बट व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू डील विद दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, then we will not give you the value of 10, 100, 1000 like this, क्योंकि it is expected that each and everybody know it. I hope you understand. So please, after these also, I would like to request you, please leave 4 lines so that if there is anything required, then you will be able to mention. Because several times what happen, if we think that this is understood, this is a very common point, this is a very basic formula, you know it, but when you are practicing तो आपको लगता है नहीं यार इसको भी लिख लेता हूँ, let me memorize it more so that I will be able to understand better। ठीक है, तो इसका आपने ख्याल रखना है। तो these are the formula and these are the most commonly used values of the base 10। याद रखना, of base 10, these are for base 10, these are for any base। okay, let me start the exercise A। So my dear student, I am going to start the exercise A for you, but before that I would like to request you कि please in this video I am going to stop it here, I will upload the video of exercise A in the next part। So I would like to request you कि please go through this formula, these are very important formula। Only thing which you have to keep in your mind, you have to memorize and keep in your mind questions of indices, exponents and exponential also। Okay, and in several questions when we will go through the exercise, you will find out that if we are not knowing any logarithm formula, we convert back it to the indices and then we solve it। याद रखिएगा, एक्सपोनेंशियल लॉगरिथम में थोड़ा सा फर्क होता है। फॉर एग्जांपल 3 square is equal to 9। If this is the indices form या एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म, अगर हम इस बेस को शिफ्ट कर देते हैं तो नेचुरली ये पावर नीचे आ जाएगी। तो दिस इज नोन एज द लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्म। एंड टू मेक इट मोर क्लियर, लेट अस राइट द लॉग आल्सो। सिमिलरली अगर हमारे पास एक लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्म है, जैसे वैल्यू होती है, शायद आपको याद नहीं है, अभी, क्योंकि अभी शुरुआत में आप वेरी सून आपको मेमोराइज हो जाएगी, तो बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज होती है। log 10 base 2 इज इक्वल टू 0.301। log 2 log 3 की वैल्यू बहुत कॉमनली यूज होती है, तो ऑलमोस्ट सभी को याद हो जाती है। log 2.3010, log 3.4771, ये वैल्यू है, आपको भी याद हो जाएंगे, इतना परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है, बहुत कॉमनली यूज होती है। तो ये लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्म है। अगर कोई आप लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्म में इस क्वेश्चन को नहीं सॉल्व कर पा रहे, तो आप क्या करेंगे, आप इसको एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे। क्या करेंगे, बेस शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, ये 2 एज इट इज, ये बेस शिफ्ट हो गया और पावर 1030, ये बेस इधर आ गया, तो नेचुरली अगर इसको बेस मिलेगा तो ये पावर बन जाएगा। ओके, याद रखिएगा, अगर एक्सपोनेंशियल का क्वेश्चन है और आप नहीं सॉल्व कर सकते, तो बाय बेस शिफ्टिंग आप उसको लॉग बना के सॉल्व कर लीजिए। सिमिलरली अगर लॉगरिथम का क्वेश्चन है और आप उसको नहीं सॉल्व कर पा रहे, तो आप सिंपली बेस को शिफ्ट करके उसको एक्सपोनेंशियल बना लीजिए एंड प्लीज सॉल्व इट। ओके, याद रखना, लॉगरिथमिक एंड एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म्स विल गो टुगेदर, और यही कारण है कि जब हम प्लस वन में जाएंगे तो वहां पर हम एक चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे लॉगरिथमिक एंड एक्सपोनेंशियल सीरीज। तो टिल देन प्लीज मेमोराइज द फैक्ट्स, please keep it in your mind so that we will be able to start the exercise very soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.